Loan le lo, loan le lo. These words have been resonating in the minds of every average Indian who has aspirations and needs some money from institutions to fulfill these aspirations. होता है कि नहीं? लोन किसी भी प्रकार के हो सकते हैं बंधु. ऑटो, होम, पर्सनल, बिजनेस, एजुकेशन वगैरह वगैरह डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर नीड्स. और जब आप अपने आसपास देखते हैं देयर आर एड्स व्हिच से दैट लोन्स आर इजीली अवेलेबल और ऐसा लगता है कि हर कोई आपको लोन देने के लिए तैयार है. सो हाउ डू लोन्स, क्रेडिट, डेट, बैंकिंग, एनबीएफसीज वर्क? हम बताएंगे. हेलो, माय नेम इज अभिनव त्रिवेदी एंड यू आर वाचिंग Detangle with Mint. According to Bank of Baroda report, bank lending growth rose to 15.9% in April 2023 from 15% in March. As per K report, strong credit growth in financial year 2023 was the result of lower base of the last year. कहने का मतलब ये है बंधु कि पिछले साल के मुकाबले इस साल लोन्स की डिमांड लोगों के द्वारा बढ़ रही है. Simultaneously, साथ-साथ parallelly, banks are competing with each other for higher deposits. Every bank is offering better returns on their fixed deposits. So, how does this system of loans work? When people like you and me keep their fixed deposits in banks, only then can banks give this money to others as loans, right? And that is why banks are offering so good interest rates on fixed deposits. अरे भाई, जब आपके बैंक्स के पास डिपॉजिट्स ज्यादा होंगे तभी तो वो आपके और मेरे जैसे लोगों को लोन दे पाएंगे. ज्यादा क्रेडिट ग्रोथ बैंक्स और एनबीएफसीज और फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस के लिए बेटर होती है बिकॉज मोर लोन्स मींस मोर इंटरेस्ट एंड मोर इनकम. ऑल्सो व्हेनेवर यू टेक क्रेडिट और लोन you create more money in the system. In fact, majority of the money in the entire world is largely debt. The flip side is that when loans turn bad or default too much, banks or lenders are in trouble. Globally, credit and debt drives economies of all the countries. According to Global International Institute of Finance, total global debt on earth is $305 trillion, out of which almost 168 trillion has been raised by businesses and corporations. Governments are standing at number 2 with almost $86 trillion. The remaining is with people and individuals. You can see how big that amount is. So debt and loans drive economies of the world. What is the other part of the equation? You. Now when you as an individual takes loans, how should you do it and from where should you do it? लोन्स की प्रक्रिया में सबसे ऊपर आते हैं बैंक्स. Banks are very prudent and check all your documents and credit history. Their rate of interest are lowest among financial lenders, but they avoid giving risky loans, especially when banks over the last few years have been busy cleaning their bad loans to certain businesses. So banks verify your documents very carefully. If you need a loan from the bank, you can get it at very low interest rates, but you will have to go through very deep scrutiny. सारे documentation, सारी credit history, सारे ITR, सब कुछ चेक होता है. इसीलिए बैंक्स के लोन्स बहुत डिमांड में होते हैं, लेकिन बैंक्स do not give risky loans. NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, give you risky loans but at higher interest rates. The model of non-banking financial companies is that they are more flexible in giving you loans. So if you have doubt over your paperwork or have a not so good history with credit, banks might say no to you. But non-banking financial institutions might not. But please read all the terms and conditions and hidden clauses. So the bottom line is that NBFCs will give you risky loans, but they have high interest rates. So be careful when you go to an NBFC. Microfinance institutions. Well, these are institutions which give you very small loans, usually 1 लाख के नीचे वाले. कुछ microfinancial institutions आपको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लोन भी दे सकते हैं. But as name suggests, microfinance यानी कि छोटा finance. These financial institutions are usually giving loans to people from villages who need small loans, जैसे कि किसी को भैंस खरीदनी है या फिर EV ऑटो रिक्शा खरीदना है. Microfinancial institutions are known for such loans. However, banks, NBFCs and microfinancial institutions can give loans to anybody. There is no restriction कि कौन किसको लोन देगा. All banks, non-banking financial companies and microfinancial institutions or cooperative banks are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. This is all from this episode of Detangle with Mint. Please let us know what you think in the comment section. Please let us know your opinion about loans and please subscribe to Live Mint for more such updates. See you soon.
How can I achieve my targets? How can I target the remotest markets?
You only progress when you ask better questions. Mint. Think ahead, think growth.